Good morning. It's Thursday, April 9th. Today, let's start off with the S&P futures. I've got up a 5-day chart here by every 5 minutes. As we commented on yesterday, another extension was granted instead of the annihilation of, I think they were going to go after power. May still happen, of course. But as soon as the positive news, no destruction tonight, came out, up we went. And we stayed there. Now, nothing has actually happened yet other than a delay in time, right? Nothing has been agreed upon. We really don't have any improvement. I did hear rumor that a little bit more oil went through the Strait of Hormuz. But if it doesn't open back up, then we're going to see fireworks of some kind. But remember, one little hint of positive news and we shot up dramatically, had a monstrously huge day before the day even began, and then held it throughout the day. So far, pre-market, we've held it so far today as well. Now, switch now to a 20-day chart by 1-hour increments. We're still on the S&P futures. What I wanted to do is come back here and show the same kind of thing. We had one bit of positive news. We shot way up, gave some of it back, and then didn't hold it as the positive news didn't really pan out. But my point is this: one hint that things might go better, and we shot up crazy. One hint that things might go better, and we shot up crazy. The money is on the sidelines waiting to come in. Enough big buyers believe we're at good prices if we get this solved that they want to come into the market. Little hints drive us up crazy. And as soon as one of these pan out, and one of them will, tomorrow, 2 months, 6 months, but it will happen, this market wants to go up, and there's enough money on the sideline for it to happen. And that's why I'm still so confident that we'll have an above average year. Now, I'm still on a 20-day by hour chart, and I just wanted to mirror the same things. One little bit of positive news, oil came down. One little bit of positive news, oil came down. Not going to hold it quite as much here as we saw with the stock market. It's already giving back a little bit more percentage-wise than the stock market has. But it's the same kind of thing. This is what the market wants to have happen. It's just looking for an excuse for it to happen, and it will. Now, as I commented yesterday, as we get more optimism about oil flowing through and the world getting along a little bit better, the old standbys, our good old-fashioned economic news, is going to have more impact. Now, this is something that is worse. Personal income went down. Personal spending went down. That makes sense. If you don't have as much money, you're not going to spend as much, but disproportionately so. Okay. PCE, an inflation indicator, came in about as expected. GDP didn't do quite as well. That's a reflection of these two as well. If we're not out there spending, we're not going to be driving the economy. But nothing really too scary. We'll see what we get tomorrow. This could be scary, but I don't think it will be. All right, so today's best guess is really as much of a hope as anything else. I've gone back to where we started, to the S&P 500 futures, and we're really, really hoping that this will hold. I would be surprised if we don't give up a little bit, but that's fine. I just don't want to see it come down to this level or even worse. I want to see it hold around this range, at least until we get those inflation numbers for tomorrow, and then we probably will break higher or lower, depending on what story they tell us. And I think this will happen. So that's today's best guess. More of a neutral market for today on the stock market. Good luck out there. Talk to you tomorrow.